Does your skin feel like it's constantly on high alert? If you've ever applied a new cream only to feel an immediate sting, or if a brisk wind leaves your face looking like a roadmap of redness, you aren't alone. Sensitive skin isn't just a minor annoyance. For millions, it is a source of daily physical discomfort and self-consciousness. Today, we are moving beyond the hypoallergenic labels to understand why your skin reacts the way it does and how to fix it. Sensitive skin is often misunderstood as a simple allergy, but it is actually a complex condition characterized by a hyperreactive immune response and a weakened outer layer. It can be a lifelong trait or a temporary reaction to environmental stressors and harsh products. In this guide, we will break down the science of the skin barrier, identify the red flag ingredients hiding in your bathroom cabinet, and provide a roadmap to restoring your skin's natural resilience and peace.
Welcome to Health 600's Noble Science in 600 seconds. Your life-changing 10 minutes. Let's go!
Chapter 1: The Invisible Flare-Up. The journey to calm skin begins with identifying the triggers that set off the alarm bells. For many, sensitive skin manifests as a stinging or burning sensation, often accompanied by visible redness, dryness, or flaky patches. These reactions aren't random. They are the result of external and internal stressors interacting with your nerve endings. External triggers range from extreme weather, like the biting cold of winter or the intense UV rays of summer, to pollutants in the city air. Internal factors play a massive role too. Fluctuating hormones, high stress levels, and even certain spicy foods can dilate blood vessels and trigger a flare-up. However, the most common culprit is product overload. In our quest for a perfect complexion, we often use too many active ingredients like high-strength acids and retinols, which can overwhelm the skin. Understanding that your skin is a living organ that communicates through these reactions is the first step toward long-lasting relief. Chapter 2: The Wall That Fell, Your Skin Barrier. To truly understand sensitivity, we have to look at the skin barrier, scientifically known as the stratum corneum. Imagine your skin as a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, and the lipids, oils like ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, are the mortar that holds everything together. When this wall is sturdy, it keeps moisture locked in and prevents irritants, bacteria, and allergens from getting out. This is a healthy barrier. In sensitive skin, that mortar is often thin or cracked. When the barrier is compromised, it leads to transepidermal water loss, or TWL. This is why sensitive skin often feels perpetually dry and tight. Because the wall has holes in it, everyday substances that wouldn't normally bother someone, like the scent in your laundry detergent or the minerals in your tap water, can slip through the cracks and reach the deeper layers of the skin. Once there, they trigger the immune system, leading to the inflammation and redness we see on the surface. Repairing this barrier isn't about scrubbing or deep cleaning. It is about replenishment. Think of your skincare routine as a construction crew working to patch the holes in that wall. Without a functioning barrier, even the most expensive anti-aging or acne treatments will only cause more damage. By focusing on lipids and moisture retention, you stop the cycle of reactivity at its source. A healthy barrier is your skin's primary defense against the world, and for the sensitive skin type, it is the most important goal of any routine. Chapter 3: Decoding the Label. Walking down the skincare aisle can be a minefield for those with reactive skin. Labels like natural or dermatologist-tested are often marketing terms rather than scientific guarantees. For sensitive skin, the most important rule is, less is more. You want to avoid products with long ingredient lists, as every additional ingredient is another potential trigger for your immune system. The primary villains to watch for are synthetic fragrances and essential oils. While they make products smell lovely, fragrance is the #1 cause of contact dermatitis. Similarly, denatured alcohols can strip the skin of its essential oils, further cracking the barrier. Instead, look for soothers. Ingredients like colloidal oatmeal, which has been used for centuries to calm itching, ceramides, which act as the mortar we discussed, and niacinamide, which helps strengthen the skin's surface. Allantoin and bisabolol are also fantastic anti-irritants derived from plants that can significantly reduce redness. By learning to read the back of the bottle rather than the front, you empower yourself to make choices that support, rather than sabotage, your skin's health. Chapter 4: The Ritual of Repair. Building a routine for sensitive skin requires a shift in mindset from treatment to nurturing. The goal is to provide the skin with what it needs to heal itself while minimizing any further disruption. This starts with the most critical step: the cleanse. Many people with sensitive skin overcleanse, using foaming agents like sodium lauryl sulfate that strip the skin. Instead, opt for a non-foaming, cream-based, or milk cleanser. You should use lukewarm water, never hot, as heat can dilate capillaries and exacerbate redness. After cleansing, skip the harsh toners. Most traditional toners contain alcohol or astringents that are far too aggressive. Instead, move directly to a hydrating serum or a soothing moisturizer. Look for products that contain hyaluronic acid for moisture and ceramides for barrier repair. During the day, sun protection is non-negotiable. UV radiation is a massive trigger for sensitivity and inflammation. However, chemical sunscreens can sometimes cause a stinging sensation. If you find this to be true, switch to a mineral or physical sunscreen containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These sit on top of the skin and reflect the sun, rather than being absorbed into the skin. One of the most important habits you can adopt is the patch test. Never apply a new product to your entire face immediately. Apply a small amount to your inner forearm or behind your ear and wait 24 to 48 hours. If there's no redness or itching, you're likely safe to proceed. Finally, resist the urge to change your routine constantly. Sensitive skin craves consistency. It takes about 28 days for skin cells to regenerate, so give your barrier repair routine at least a month to show real results. By keeping your routine simple, cleanse, moisturize, protect, you provide the stable environment your skin needs to move from a state of reactivity to a state of resilience. Chapter 5: Beyond the Bottle. While topical products are essential, your skin is also a reflection of your internal environment. Managing sensitive skin often requires lifestyle adjustments. For instance, long, hot showers might feel relaxing, but they are devastating for a compromised skin barrier. Limit your showers to 10 minutes and keep the temperature tepid. Furthermore, consider the fabrics that touch your face. Silk or high thread count cotton pillowcases are much less abrasive than synthetic blends. Diet and hydration also play a supporting role. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like flax seeds and walnuts, can help bolster your skin's natural oil production from the inside out. Most importantly, if your skin sensitivity is accompanied by extreme pain, persistent swelling, or if you suspect a condition like rosacea or chronic eczema, consult a dermatologist. Professional guidance can help differentiate between sensitive skin and a medical condition that requires prescription intervention. With patience and the right approach, calm skin is possible. Don't just watch, take action right now. I have already shortlisted the exact products and tools you need to secure your results. Scan the video description below to get your protocol hardware today.
This is Health 600s, and I'll see you in the next 600 seconds.
Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe,